Right, y'all. I think I mainly got everything. Had a hard time with this because I haven't done it in a long time, but this thing keeps making noise, and just gotta put the drums in. Oh, here, I found it. Found that thing there. In there. Sturdy. Alright. Alright, y'all. So, put the wheel back on. The wheel bearings greased up. So, I just pretty much wiped this down and then greased it up. Tightened the fitting right there. And yeah. Anyways. Alright, y'all. So, if you haven't watched, I did record some Thanksgiving clips, and I'll I will edit and post, I don't know when, maybe before this year, okay? Because there's so much stuff happening and that I want to get content of and show you guys, and you know. But right now it's finished up. Put the brake line that I bent and cut, made my flare end on my brake line, and yeah, so pretty much everything fit. I just tightened the fittings for the brake line, and yeah. So oh yeah, one more thing. So a guy came up to me, one of my neighbors, an old guy. I think he's a veteran, but you know, he kind of gave me some negativity of parking the car right in front, you know. And I'm like, you know, I understand, but like, I think you can fix up your car, like you could fix up the brakes on your car, and yeah. So I read something online that you can do that, but you can't be like doing power tools or crazy like noises and stuff. Obviously it bothers the thing, but I don't make noises or anything like that. I try to keep it clean. I mean, the car is like dusty and dirty, so all the debris and stuff kind of is on the like bottom of the car, but if I have time I will spray it down. And yeah, it kind of gave me negative vibe, and saying that, oh, there's a guy up there with the truck and stuff like that, you can't be doing that. Like, we told him he had to park somewhere else, and I'm like, dude, I'm not doing anything, like I'm not bothering you, like and he stepped up to me and kind of like, you know, talked to me in person. But I'm like, come on, man. Like, I'm not doing anything but bad. I'm not, you know, I'm just working on my car. I'm just trying to do something positive, and you coming out here being all negative, I ain't with that shit, you know what I mean? Like, if you're trying to scare me and say, okay, give me a ticket, but obviously if an officer or whatever kind of gives me a ticket, you know, or tells me about it, you know, and I'll let them know what I know, and you know, we go from there. But like I said, I don't have any space. Like, it's not a moving car. I'm trying to get it to move to where get the brakes going and everything like that, but that guy's just giving me grief, and I'm really about it, you know. Hopefully, you know, Lord above watches over me, and no problems indicates later on. And but yeah, like this video, subscribe, and yeah, turn that post notification on, And like I said, guys, we're just trying to end this year with a little bit of something to go through the next year. Okay. Oh, and also I'm gonna do a video of this, getting this cleaned up. So sand, get it all smooth, and then I'm gonna probably do a clear coat on it and see how that looks. Well, anyways, stay blessed, stay positive, and don't let anyone bring you down, because that's just how the world is. And yeah, stay tuned for more videos. Peace.